All right, if you're seeking a tax deduction for gifts you make to your favorite charity, there are a few things you might want to know. And joining us to talk all about it is CPA Kimberly Washington. Kim,
Yes.
As always, thank you so much for joining us. So what should people know concerning charitable write-offs?
Right, so if you're someone who's listening, you're thinking, okay, I want to write off some gifts that I give to charity. That's two most important things that you need to know. The first thing, you need to understand what you can write off, and that could be, of course, mileage, traveling back and forth to a charitable organization to volunteer, cash donations to qualified organizations, and non-cash items that you give maybe to like Salvation Army, some things that have been laying around your home. And also you have to understand, of course, what you cannot deduct. So if you donate your time to a charitable organization, of course you cannot deduct that time. So those are some things you do need to know when it comes to charitable write-offs.
Now, Kim, which organizations may qualify for deductible charitable contributions?
Right, so this is very, very important. So if you're someone who's listening, say, hey, I want to give to like that GoFundMe account, or maybe I want to give a love offering to my pastor, those items, of course, would not be deductible. But you do want to head over to the irs.gov website, and what you want to do once you go there, you want to type in a qualified organization and make certain that it is qualified. All of the information would be there. So you just have to make certain, and again, like I said, when it comes to GoFundMe, and if it's for just an individual, it would not be deductible. So you want to make sure it's a qualified organization.
That's important right there.
Yes.
So how should one go about claiming their deduction at tax time?
Right, so the biggest thing, of course, is save those receipts. Of course, if it's a qualified organization, they're going to give you an acknowledgement. It could be an email, it could be a receipt, it can also be a letter, so you definitely want to save it. Another thing you do want to keep in mind is that you do need to itemize in order to take advantage of itemized deductions or claiming those charitable organizations on your tax return. If you are single, the amount has to be $12,950. If you're married filing joint, that amount has to be $25,900. And of course, that's inclusive with other type of expenses, but you do want to talk to a tax professional concerning that.
And finally, Kim, what else should people know concerning deducting charitable contributions?
Right, so now is the time, of course, so you can't go back to 2022 and kind of get an idea of what you did or didn't do. But as you move forward this year, make certain that you're saving those receipts, make certain it's a qualified organization, and of course, more importantly, make certain that you're able to itemize so that you can claim those deductions on your tax return.
The biggest lesson for today, keep them receipts.
Yes, keep those receipts.